Welcome back. In this video, we are going to solve a structural design problem that involves a two-way slab design using working stress method based on eStructural Design Taichi found on the App Store. Design a reinforced concrete two-way slab using working stress method for light storage use with clear span of 20 feet by 16 feet and assumed thickness of 5 inches. Design criteria as follows. Strength of concrete 6000 psi, main bars half-inch diameter bar grade 60, case number 3 for panel design. The uniform load for 5 inches thick slab is 62 pounds per foot. A light storage live load is 125 pounds per foot. Floor finish is 20 pounds per foot, for a total load of 207 pounds per foot. Use Case 3 panel design. Enumerate input parameters required. Name of slab S12. Case 3 panel design. Longer span 20 feet. Shorter span 16 feet. Slab thickness 5 inches. Main bars half-inch diameter at grade 60. Strength of concrete 6000 psi and total load is 207 psf. Given Fc prime equals 6000 psi, Fs equals 24,000 psi, the balance section properties are as follows. N equals 6.568, K equals 0.425, J equals 0.858, R equals 492. The ratio M equals 0.8, moment coefficient at short span is 0.064 and 0.049 at long span. Given W equals 207 pounds per foot, S equals 16 feet, moment coefficient at short span is 0.064 and moment coefficient at long span is 0.049, the negative moment at short span is 40,697.86 inch-pounds. Positive moment at 30,523.39 inch-pounds. The negative moment at long span is 31,159.3 inch-pounds. Positive moment is 23,369.47 inch-pounds. By choosing the largest moment value, the effective depth is 2.63 inches. Use 5 inches for total depth. At short direction, given negative moment equals 40,697.86, positive moment equals 30,523.39, Fs equals 24,000, J equals 0.858, and D equals 3.8, the area of steel for negative moment is 0.52 square inch, with spacing at 4.5 inches. And the area of steel for positive moment is 0.39 square inch, with spacing at 6 inches. At long direction, given negative moment equals 31,159.3, positive moment equals 23,369.47, Fs equals 24,000, J equals 0.858, and D equals 3.8, the area of steel for negative moment is 0.4 square inch, with spacing at 6 inches, and the area of steel for positive moment is 0.3 square inch, with spacing at 8 inches. The short direction shear force is 1,302.72 pounds, with shear stress of 28.57 psi, less than 85.21 psi. The long direction shear force is 1,104 pounds, with shear stress of 24.21 psi, less than 85.21 psi. The short direction bond stress is 127.25 psi, while the long direction bond stress is 143.48 psi, both less than 500 psi. Design results are as follows. Fc prime equals 6000 psi, Fs equals 24,000 psi, dimension is 20 feet by 16 feet, thickness is 5 inches, short direction bars of grade 60, half-inch diameter bar at 6 inches on center, bent up alternate at S/4, plus 2 extra top bars at continuous edge, plus 1 extra top bar at discontinuous edge. Long direction bars of grade 60, half-inch diameter bar at 8 inches on center, bent up alternate at L/4, plus 2 extra top bars at continuous edge, plus 1 extra top bar at discontinuous edge. Thank you for watching. If you find this video helpful, please like, share, and subscribe to this channel.